In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can export your questions to PDF, spreadsheets, or some exam paper formats. So let's get started. For this particular video, I will use this project to discuss how we can export our content to various formats. So let's say you've got your content as English SS1A and you want to present those questions in a PDF format. So how can you achieve that? You right click on the season, which is SS1, then you click on export, then you see PDF. Once you click on PDF, you'll be able to preview the question. So here you have the question 1, then you have question 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So that's the content. Then you can print. So once you click on print, you'll be asked to save the content. So let me say this is English SS1 PDF. So that's it. So this is how you export to PDF. And once you open the PDF, you see something similar to what you have in the preview. So this is the content in that you just exported. So this is SS1 English, and here are all the questions. So let's take a look at other formats that we can export our content to. Now, if you click on export, you'll see to question paper. Now, the difference between PDF and question paper is as follows. So let's say you want a format that you can print and directly use as your question paper. You go for the second option. So, but before you can get a good outcome, it's important you have your settings. So let me show you this. So to export to question paper, you'll be asked to define the business name, more or less like the school. So let's say this is the name of the school. Let me call it IXLV Academy, for instance. Then the subject name is English. Then you can name it the way you want it to appear in the question paper. You can name it that way. So let me just say, then you click on proceed. Once you do that, you will have this as your question paper. Now, the difference between the question paper format and the PDF is question paper format, you won't find the answer. You won't be told what the answer is. So the question will be directly presented in the format that you can directly print and forward to your students. So this is a great way for you to set your question, print as paper in case you want to conduct a paper-based exam and directly present to your student. Then this logo can be changed to your school logo. So if you want to use your school logo, you go to the settings menu, you go to general, and you can change this to your school logo. So the default logo is this, but you can change it to your school logo, and that's exactly what will be displayed once you export to question paper. So that's it. Then the other thing is how do you export to Excel or CSV? That's spreadsheet. You just click on Excel, then you save. So let me save it as English SSC content. English, then SS1 content. Then you click on save. Once you do that, your content will be exported, and then you can preview what the content looks like here. So here you have the content. So you have question, option, answer, explanation, and so on and so forth.